In this training video, we'll go through the billing menu, adding the clinic setup information. To start, we'll open up the billing menu and navigate into the third-party payer page. This page stores third-party payer information to be put into patients' insurance information and onto claims going to the third-party payers. For program type, choose the program type that corresponds with the payer that you're entering. Group health is the most common and includes payers like Blue Cross, Aetna, Cigna, and United Healthcare. Medicaid and Medicare are fairly self-explanatory, and for other, use this for personal injury and workers' compensation type payers. A phone number is always appreciated when inputting payer information. The next area in our billing menu that we'll discuss is the billing plans page. The billing plans page is set up with the default billing plan to be used for your clinic's charge amounts. You can add an additional billing plan to track and store allowable fees for different insurance companies. For example, if we add in a UHC plan for tracking United Healthcare network allowables, when we go into our network reimbursement page, we're able to store the allowable amount for different fees in our system for that billing plan. The network reimbursement page, also within the billing menu, is where you input your fee information for your clinic. To start, click Add or Edit Amounts, select a billing group and a code, and input your clinic's fee information. As noted before, you can also enter in allowable amounts for other billing plans that you have set up for your clinic in order to track different network allowable amounts. For example, if United Healthcare allows $25 for a wanted to region adjustment, we can enter in $25 in the UHC row and save to be able to see that information. This information can also feed into our treatment plan section to better estimate the patient's cost of care. Next, in our billing menu, we'll discuss the attorneys page. From the attorney page, you can add in attorney contacts that you can later link to patient files. Click Add New Attorney to enter in basic demographic information in for the law firm or the attorney information. Next is Clinic Products. Click on Add New Product to add in cash-only products or supplements that you provide to patients at your clinic. For the price, you can either indicate a pre-tax price if you have your tax amount bundled into the price when you're selling your product, or add in the base price and choose to apply the tax. For quantity, if you want to track a specific amount that you have in stock at your office and have this amount decrease with every sale of that product, you can enter in a specific amount in the quantity area. If you choose not to do that, you can enter an amount but note to keep in stock, and then the system will note that and not require you to keep on restocking that item as amounts are sold. Once a product is added in, you can add in your clinic's tax fee percent at the top of the page. Once that is updated, the system will automatically calculate the price plus tax for the different products in your clinic products page. Note our quantity is noted as NA because our keep in stock option was selected when adding in our product. Next, under our billing menu, we'll go through the frequent problems list. The frequent problems list is meant to create your own short list of diagnosis codes that are used on a higher frequency basis for your clinic. You can either search by problem name or by code in order to narrow your results. From the results, you can click the Add button to add diagnosis codes into your frequent problems list. This list can be accessed from the fee slip when adding diagnosis codes, and also from the patient's problems list when adding in diagnosis codes. The Assign Documents section under your billing menu is used for clinics that send in treatment note information to be associated with patient claims that is outside of our own EHR system. If you are sending in treatment notes through our service center and you need to see what documents are assigned, the Assign Documents area will allow you to do that. This concludes our training video on the billing setup information.